And in doing these shows, we absolutely love that we are able to connect with each and every one of you to bring to you the healing, the attention, the love that you need at this time. For being human is a very lonely thing at times. Being human almost hurts at times. And we know that you have hurt. We know what many of you have been through, and we know that it continues. So today what we'd like for you to do is to allow us to step in and relieve you of these fears, the anxieties, these pains, these guilts that this child within you carries and does not know how to let go of.